Welcome. I thought I would just take you guys throughout a day in the life, and today is Sunday. So we just came from church. I have a lot going on and a lot to do today, so I figured I'd just take you guys along with me. Today is exciting because we're going to get our Christmas tree, but because we have a busy week with the girls going to school, me and Kyle going to work, and just the busyness of everyday life, I like to set myself up for success during the week and try to do what I can ahead of time. So what I'm doing right now is meal prepping for my lunches. So I am going to be cutting up sweet peppers, pouring out these. So I have my pan ready to go in the oven. I have my oven on. I'm going to make roasted veggies, and then I'm going to cook. Oh, I don't think he got it. Hold on. Okay, we're good. I had to call Kyle because he's at the food store now, and I need some meat for this. So I like to put either ground turkey or shrimp with this meal. So I just usually cook it on the stove and then roast these, and then that's my lunch for the week. I can usually make about like 4 to 5. 5 is kind of pushing it, but about 4 for the week, and then I'm good. So that's my lunches, and then I have a load in the laundry, folding another load, and busy today. And I'm also going to give the girls some chores, clean off their table, hang up their clothes. They're 3 and 5 now, so I'm going to ask them to do that, and we'll go from there. So let's cut. My next chore is to go through this fridge and clean it out. That's crazy. Okay, so I finally got a couple of things done. I got the fridge organized, did a load of dishes. I did 3 loads of laundry. So I have to fold some when I come back. I have to get the girls' beds ready. I put out their school clothes for tomorrow, and I meal prepped. So now we're getting our tree, and I'm gonna decorate that tonight. So it might be a little later night, but I still wanna wake up in the morning to work out. So, because this last week I've fallen off. So we're on our way. Girls, y'all excited?
Yeah!
Woo!
Bye, Grandma D. Bye!
You excited?
I've never been more excited in my life.
I'm excited! We're on our way.
Let's do it!
We're gonna get our Christmas tree!
We're gonna get our Christmas
and we are
tree.
going to decorate it!
Very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas without all tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very
Oh, you don't have. Look at all the trees, girls.
I think that's yeah.
You think this one is perfect?
Wake the neighbors, having fun down the street. Christmas
What'd you say?
sweet decorations. Wanna greet old Santa Claus when he arrives. Let the reindeer see the lights.
Bigger.
Right? This one. How much is this one? Yeah. Okay. How much is this one on next to it?
This one is a little bit wider, so it's like 70. Quite a bit wider.
That is pretty. Okay. What do y'all think, girls?
Good.
You still like that first one?
Oh, what is it? This one more time?
It's not like that.
The tree is not coming.
He took it over there. Now look what he's gonna do.
Baby Jesus. I love you so much, baby Jesus. Mary! Oh,
Well, who's that?
Mary!
Yeah.
Joseph. I did see.
But don't really sit on him because this is a blow-up thing.
Hi, Joseph. Hi.
And he's gonna wrap up the tree, girls.
That's cool.
Oh.
Trying again.
Yeah, I know. Watch out, girls. Look to the side.
What? Look at all the lights on that side, Mom. So let's have a Christmas dance party with hot chocolate and ice cream and lights.
Oh, that sounds so fun. Look at this wild child. Bianca.
Daddy,
Hi.
what I just said?
So good to me.
Christmas lights. Do you have Christmas lights?
Are you posing?
The house? Yeah, I think so.
Are you excited to put lights on your tree?
Yeah.
I think we might.
Yes.
See my one gray hair now? Isn't that so stressful? Stressful?
It's a puppy.
What'd you say?
You want Uncle Kurt's a puppy.
Y'all are crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
So we already got our Christmas tree. It's on top of Mommy's car. Now we're going to Isabel's house to see their new house. Mommy hasn't seen it yet. So we're going to show you the Christmas tree and it's up there.
Thank you. You have something else?
I see the Christmas and we're going to have a dance party at our house.
Oh.
A Christmas dance party that I told my mom and dad I'm gonna hang up lights, Christmas lights. I'm gonna have hot chocolate and ice cream. That's our plan. And cocoa.
And you gotta decorate the tree in your room.
And we're gonna decorate the tree in our room. And we're gonna help we're gonna help Mommy and Daddy decorate the tree that we got. And we are going to have hot cocoa. And we are going to decorate our tree and everything else. Hot cocoa.
Very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas without all tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Oh. Very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas I keep so near. Every light, every song, every friend that comes along. A very Merry Christmas to you. Sing along to the song, make a wish, grab a kiss, put another record on, wake the neighbors, having fun down the street. Christmas trees, decorations, wanna greet old Santa Claus when he arrives. Let the reindeer see the lights, light. A very Merry Christmas, oh, we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas, a joyful cheer. A very Merry Christmas, oh, let me hear. Yes, very Merry Christmas without all tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Oh, very Merry.
We're starting the hot chocolate. I just put in milk, and then once it heats up, I'm gonna put in those packets.
I'm starting the hot chocolate.
No,
It
you're
was
not.
my idea.
It was your idea, but I did it.
I'm doing it.
You
Disregard
literally
her.
did nothing. Okay, so it is 9:20 and I think I'm done for the day. I'm so tired. Not finished decorating. Halfway through the tree, like half of the lights went out, so I had to take it down and then restart again. So I am not finished, but that's what it's looking like right now. Not too bad. And then I decorated the girls' tree in their room so they could put some ornaments on it. And then I'm going to finish with the rest of the house. And I will show you that in the next video. I am going to pack the girls' lunches or get the girls' lunches ready. School bags ready. Put out my workout stuff. And take a shower and go to sleep. Bye guys. Thank you so much for following us today, and thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace and love, guys.